was just in front of us. Hello, good morning from Victoria. We made it to Vancouver Island, and Victoria is the main city in the south of the island, and today we are going to explore this city, and we are up to something interesting. We are going to take a tour also and go whale watching. Victoria, located on the southern tip of Vancouver Island, is the capital of British Columbia. Victoria is the largest urban area on the island, but the largest city in British Columbia is Vancouver. Victoria is a small city, and just to give you an idea, I want to talk about the population. Around 400,000 people live in Victoria. Not many people here. Many people believe that Victoria has the best weather in the whole of Canada, since it has the mildest winter climate of any city in the country. Victoria is also known as Garden City because there are many parks and green spaces in the city. This harbor is the cutest harbor ever. You know, they have the cutest water taxi and they look so cute. And then you can see the seaplane on the water, and it's just like so beautiful here.
Actually, here they have double-decker buses that look a lot like the ones in London, in UK, not London, Ontario.
Did you know that there is London in Canada too? I kind of figured it out before traveling to Canada, but actually someone asked us that where we are coming from. When we said London, they said England or Ontario. I was like, of course England. But yeah, if you didn't know, there are two Londons. I just found the flea market in Victoria, and you know, flea markets are my favorite. Victoria feels like a European city, and you can clearly see its British heritage and its colonial past in its architecture, gardens, name of places, and English-style pubs.
Now we are inside the hotel Empress, which was the first hotel to be built in Victoria, and the architect was the same architect that designed the Parliament building.
There is the famous Parliament building, and actually there are free guided tours you can take, but it's better to book the tours before going. I mean, you can't book it online, you can just walk in. Every 20 minutes there is one tour. So we are hoping we can take the tour after our whale watching tour, because now is almost the time to go on a boat. Okay, now it's time to go on a boat and hopefully, finger crossed, to see where. Actually, the tour said if we don't see a whale, they should give us free tours.
We have two primary areas of concern. Number one is your safety. Number two is, and equally as important, is to make sure you have a fun time out there. I'm in charge of safety. Jonathan here is in charge of fun. He has a better job
Woo!
today.
Let's go on board. Have fun. Thank you. It's cold here, and actually we are moving towards the south, and we are in the US water. Ooh. In the Pacific Ocean. I think I've never been in the North Pacific Ocean. This is the very first time. It didn't take long to see a pod of killer whales. Our tour guides knew the family and they named each of them. We continued moving next to them. Orcas or killer whales are the largest of the dolphin families and one of the most powerful predators in the world. They are smart and social. Orcas make a wide variety of communicative sounds, and each pod has distinctive noises that its members will recognize even at a distance. They don't have any natural predators apart from humans. Wow, it's amazing. I was worried that if we can see any, but actually one of them was just in front of us. We also saw a humpback whale. It's not usual to see both types of whales in one spot, but I guess it was our lucky day. During this 4-hour tour, we also saw seals and sea lions. When we got closer to them, we had to cover our noses because they stunk. Whale watching tour, the one we took, was one of the best tours we've ever been. Everyone was so friendly and so helpful, and like everything was perfect, and we saw so many things. I mean, I think I was the first person saw a whale, and I pointed and everyone looked, and after a while, like we saw again another whale, another one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my god, this tour was the best one. If you are here, just do it. It's amazing. And now it's time to go to see the Parliament building. And that was our tour.